In monocotyledonous plants like wheat, the primary root is short-lived and is replaced by a number of roots that originate from the base of the stem. These roots constitute the fibrous root system. Root hairs, which are very fine, delicate thread-like structures responsible for absorption of water and minerals from the soil, develop from epidermal cells in the region of maturation. The regions of the stem where leaves are born are called nodes, while the portions between two nodes are termed internodes. Parallel venation, in which the veins run parallel to each other within a lamina, is a characteristic feature generally found in the leaves of most monocotyledonous plants. If a pair of leaves arise at each node and lie opposite to each other, as in calotropis and guava plants, this type of phyllotaxy is called opposite. In a cymose inflorescence, the main axis terminates in a flower and flowers are basipetal. When a flower can be divided into two equal radial halves in any radial plane passing through the center, as in mustard, it is said to be actinomorphic. In epigynous flowers, the margin of thalamus grows upward, enclosing the ovary completely, and other floral parts arise above the ovary. Such an ovary is said to be inferior. Vexillary estivation, which is characteristic of pea and bean flowers, involves 5 petals, where the largest standard petal overlaps 2 lateral wing petals, which in turn overlap the 2 smallest anterior keel petals. When stamens in a flower are united into one bunch or one bundle, as in China rose, the condition is termed monodal force. In marginal placentation, as seen in pea, the placenta forms a ridge along the ventral suture of the ovary, and the ovules are born on this ridge, forming 2 rows. The fruit of mango and coconut, which develops from a monocarpellary superior ovary and is one-seeded, is botanically known as a drupe. The hilum on a dicotyledonous seed coat represents the point where the funicle was attached to the ovule. The proteinous layer that forms the outer covering of the endosperm in a maize grain and separates it from the embryo is called the aleurone layer. The calyx in flowers of the family Solanaceae typically consist of 5 sepals that are gomosepalous and persistent with valvate estivation.
Go to smartylearn.com, log in. Now here you can access detailed mind maps of all NCERT chapters. Link in the description. Subscribe now.